I like a split stance here with the opposite leg in front of the working arm to give you a little bit of balance. The aim of the game again is to maintain a nice stiff upper body. You're pulling that dumbbell on a diagonal to the opposite shoulder from the front of the hip. We're then lowering down out to the side and raising back up to the top. The aim of the game throughout all this is for your body not to move. It's just the shoulder that's rotating. We're maintaining a nice straight line the whole way from the shoulder to the wrist, and we're keeping our weight nicely forward into that front foot throughout. The priority in this exercise is to ensure that we don't lean back. This is why we have the bench here. The cue is to keep pressing the stomach into the bench, keeping the shoulder, hip and knee stacked throughout. As we work through the different angles here, we can see we're working to keep our arms nice and straight. There's no shifting from side to side, and I'm most definitely not coming off the bench. As we pull the dumbbells up overhead, the muscles we're using here are in the upper back and shoulders. Think about making yourself as stiff as a board and then pulling firmly back through the upper back to raise those dumbbells overhead. A little shrug at the top will be a big help.